What's up YouTube, it's your girl Tasia Tate and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing my vision board. I'm about to make me some breakfast and I'm just going to show y'all that.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, girl, I know.
Oh, whoa, can't do nothing right. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you stay. What you say? When it's that way, turn back if we gon' crazy. Hear what you beg for, yeah. If I slide, but if I just to press my hands, show me, yeah. You been with them, but you know that nothing but me. Talk the talk, but walk it back it up. You just can't let go. You just make me special, whoa. But you won't admit that. No matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. Let's have a take.
Okay guys, so this is Jen basket. I got Jen some more stuff, so I'm about to open up Amazon package. Her face mask came with her mixing kit. Oh, these are her face masks. So she got some Dead Sea clay powder, some Razor clay powder, some bentonite clay powder, some Moroccan clay powder, and some kaolin clay powder. So she can add water to these. They're gonna become like clay. Put these in the back. I think I got her one more thing. I got her some Aztec clay mask. Oh, it's a lot. Should I steal some? Yep, I'm stealing some. It's kind of packed in there anyway, so.
We gon' rest that. I put your feet up in the sky till you kick back. You know that you would be alive. You ain't missed that. Let's play, yes, no.
Oh, okay. I got some other stuff too. I got the 4 Agreements. I've been seeing this on TikTok, and most of the books that I read are romance books, so I feel like I needed to get into something that is more about, like, you know, self-help, self-progression, self-growth, and all that type of stuff. I got some NYX butter gloss. I got the clear gloss because I love clear gloss. And then I got some lip plumper.
And I do me wait 'cause I said so.
Going, turn, I swear crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't about revenge. But now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know. But again, trust me, this ain't about revenge. I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No, you said you felt. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, ditches me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was done up like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, I'm out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Oh no, right.
Pretty ass, villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass slump. Catch up in around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my phone got it down. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they running for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time what a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm done. Forget nigga, show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Push it on a button like a button. Keep on time for your still getting ready in a function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now.
Okay, so y'all, I just locked myself out and I gotta wear the outfit and I need to get back. I'm supposed to be going to go get Jen so we can hang out. We probably get some food and stuff, and I got her A gift right there. Hey y'all, Jen coming. Hey y'all. Hey. Okay. I want to see your reaction.
Okay. I got some tissue. I really wanted another one of these. Did I tell you that?
I don't know. You just said skincare, so I just was skin stuff.
I had one of these, but I left it. Oh, this look fancy. Yeah, I know that's right, Queen. I know that's right. These look too cute. Oh my God, I'm gonna crack. Yes, I got the face mask, y'all. I got facial scrubbers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah,
Baby. Hold on, let me.
And I got more. And I never running out. So
Honestly, like,
it's a mixing kit. I can make it.
open it. Let's see. I think it's a bowl and it got like the spoon and stuff.
Ooh.
But that's not the best part. Keep going.
I got some socks. I didn't even put these on there. Y'all, I got some peeps. If you know me, you know I love peeps. I actually do my favorite.
Period.
I got a lint roller. I need another one of these.
Gee, tell me why I got that, right? I had got that for me, but then I was like, I don't think I'm gonna use it because I used the Cetaphil stuff. It was green, so I put it in there.
Wait, why you snap though? What's going on? Yes, everything is green. Oh my God, y'all.
We were just talking about that.
Yo, no, for real. I damn near cried. What the freak? Oh, what's this?
It's the what you when you mix
make?
it. Yeah, you put it in that stuff. Cause the mask. I don't know. I just got it. I never tried it.
This look raw. This look like I know what I'm doing. I gotta send it to you. I gotta put these in my purse.
I think that's it. Okay. Hey, what you rated? Be for real. You rated a 10?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, damn.
Okay.
Wait, bro, it's
Jen. Where your little furry friend? Okay, we got a little. What's this?
bro, it's so, I don't know. It's so squishy though.
So
like, it's so like soft and squishy. I don't know.
I love pillows, like stuff like that.
Oh, it's pink stuff.
Okay, okay, she got me some socks. She know what to do. We got the same stuff.
Yeah.
We got the same stuff. Okay.
Oh,
Wait. Wait a minute. Y'all, it's I'm finna open this right now though. What even is this? Oh my God, y'all. I love Hello Kitty, like this too. And I need a smaller one. Okay. They snap. I'll go to the next one. I just love Hello Kitty, y'all. I see Hello Kitty. I had to open that. We got a cover.
bro, I couldn't find no other Hello Kitty stuff, bro.
It's okay.
And
No,
that gave Hello Kitty,
what
so
you
I just
said?
got this.
What is it?
I got that from Walmart. Then I went to Five Below, and then I went to
This giving-
Ross, and then I went to
I
Target.
like anything pink though, so
Yeah, so I was just thinking like
it's giving Hello Kitty. Got Hello Kitty colors. Oh,
exactly.
this is
That's why I
so
was like,
cute.
yeah, like Hello Kitty.
Yes. Oh, I'm gonna take this right on to my door. Y'all, I swear to God, bro. I swear, bro. You remember I showed you my video and I was like, I got a toe kit, bro.
Yes, and I was thinking like, oh my God, bro.
But this one look way better. And it got pink in it. That one cheap too. It's like $3. What's this?
Oh, that was a mirror thing.
Ooh,
I was just thinking, I couldn't think what else was in
Oh,
there.
this good quality. Oh, I might put it in right now. Okay. Then I got me a
Clip.
A clip. I be trying to get more of these, and I always use this stuff. So yeah.
I just get it because it's pink. Yeah.
But y'all, she really did good. She did good because I like all my stuff.
I was so mad, bro.
What?
I really wanted to find the Hello Kitty stuff, bro.
No, you did good though. You did real good. I like all my stuff. Now the cup really gave like the cup really was the one. You're like cute. Oh y'all, get into the braid. She would get some small knotless right before school though. Fooling with my youngest. Travel all across the world just to meet. Literally, no. You pushed me on. You brought me to love. I'm so over you. Boy, who do you think that you are? August, young money. I swear I
rolling up that smoke weed, get drunk. Too strong, it won't fit. Got a big ego. Oh, such a huge ego. I can back it up. I can back it up.
Version of a hustler. Oh,
What you say?
she ain't no diva.
Now put your hands up. Put a ring on it. Don't forget what you see. Put a ring on it. Look like a TV show. Put a ring on it. I'm like that kind of girl. All the single ladies. All the single ladies.
Oh, period.
Guys, we're in Walmart right now. And we're seeing Minnie Mouse. It was a bar. Oh my god. I would literally buy. I would buy this for myself.
It's a Barbie car.
And it literally drives. It has a control and everything.
It's not Hot Wheels. Oh my god.
Let's actually.
Holy
The
shit.
toy owl. Wait, let's look in this. It's Hello Kitty.
Is it Hello Kitty?
Yeah, look. Oh no, it's not. It's not Hello Kitty. It's not Hello Kitty.
Oh.
Peppa. Daddy.
Okay. Come on.
Excuse me. Hi. Do you know what a tissue is? Yeah, like no tissue rolls.
They'll be going down that way, all the way in J.
Okay, and
Jay?
another thing. Do you guys sell Hello Kitty stuff?
It kind of depends, like, if we have anything. Like, I think we have a few plushes on that end.
All right, thank you. Oh, it's Barbie. Look at that.
Barbie dangerous.
Excuse me. Do you guys have any Hello Kitty toys?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Okay.
I think it's just whatever is over there.
Thought that was. I swear.
Sorry.
It's alright. The people out here are really like they're a little mean.
Everybody's mean.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I just thought they were gonna be a little bit more.
A little nicer.
Yeah, a lot more welcoming, but they're like, yeah, they don't know, they don't care. But it's fine. Oh, excuse me. No, yeah, you're good. Guys, look at our shoes. Go ahead and walk, Jin. Twinsies.